In a quiet jungle near the village, something strange was happening. The fruit trees had stopped growing. The animals noticed it first. No bananas, no berries, not even one juicy mango.
What's going on? My banana tree is empty.
So, they gathered under the great baobab tree to find a solution.
Meeting time.
Then, a bright idea lit up the jungle.
Let's have a fruit parade to show how much we love fruits.
Then we can invite the villagers too.
The animals cheered and started planning. Everyone wanted to honor their favorite fruit. Jackal, Fox, and Bear, the jungle's top designers, got to work. Vines, peels, and petals flew everywhere. Dare brought out the banana tape. Measuring an elephant, now that's a big task.
Hey, don't forget my trunk. It needs style too.
They sent leafy invitations flying across the skies.
To the village, quick!
On the big day, the jungle sparkled with decorations. Everyone was ready for the fruity fun. From the leafy stage, the host welcomed all.
Welcome, friends. Get ready for the juiciest jungle celebration ever. Here glides the snow leopard in a very cool mood, rocking a blueberry sparkle.
Cool.com and very fresh.
Here comes the juiciest stepper, our zesty orange elephant.
Don't squeeze me. I'm zesty.
The jungle thumps as the juicy beer rolls in all melons and might.
I'm not grizzly, I'm drizzly with juice.
Swinging into style, it's Kiwi-tastic monkey mischief on the move.
Who wants a slice of me?
Look out, it's the tallest carrot in the jungle.
I'm not a snack, I'm a super snack.
But wait! Carrot's not a fruit!
The king arrives with a cherry on top.
Rar means juicy.
Blushing, bouncing, and peach perfect, it's kangaroo in fuzz mode.
Don't stare at my fuzz, please.
Back again, this elephant's rocking strawberry style.
Foot fashion suits me right.
Oh, looks like someone skipped the tailor.
No designer, no problem. Just jungle glue and tartar. I'm covered in oranges.
Orange, you glad he made it?
Sweet, shy, and very cute tits the strawberry deer.
Careful, I'm very shy.
Zippy Zebra zooms in with raspberry ripple vibes.
Catch me before I bounce away.
Back again. Oh, a new look. This time, elephant's gone green and creamy.
They said dress like a toast topping.
Here comes Crocodile, looking just like an avocado.
I'm the crunchy part, with a snap.
Giddy up, Mango Mania. That horse shines like a summer treat.
Nay means yes to mangoes.
Oops, no outfit, just pure panda mood.
Still waiting. The designer ghosted me.
Sweet swirl alert monkey goes full custard mode.
I'm the desserts and the dancer.
Stretch your tails and paws, will be right back.
Strawberry sass incoming, make way for ostrich.
No seeds, no shame, just style.
Spiky, sparkly, and sweet deer brings the dragon fruit drama.
I'm soft inside, but fierce outside.
Next up, the fuzzy fruit favorite.
I slipped twice wearing this kiwi, but it's worth it.
Straight from the berry boutique, it's Raspberry Fox.
I made this outfit in under the box. Rasp fabulous, right?
Now peeling the runway, it's Banana Gorilla.
No slipping allowed. I practiced for a whole bunch of minutes.
Wait, another banana?
The gorilla copied me.
Tiny but terrific lychee snails.
I may be slow, but this shell is fancy.
Zesty and Zippy, it's our citrus stripe star.
Warning, I might squirt if I sneeze.
This tall treat brought a double dose of cherry charm.
Each cherry was stitched by a squirrel. Be impressed.
Sizzling and sweet, here comes Mango Tiger.
Warning, too juicy to handle.
Last time, no outfit, this time, sleeves.
Taylor left mid-stitch. Enjoy the sleeves.
Not complete, but still a treat.
Wobbling in like dessert, it's grape jelly hippo.
I didn't fall. That was a great bounce.
Zebra's back, this time with melon magic.
Double booked, double delicious.
Double the drummer. From kiwi to plum, this monkey's got range.
Today, plum. Tomorrow, papaya.
Make way for the berry bird, duck in mulberry moat.
Try saying mulberry 5 times fast.
Berry bold baby snow leopards on the move.
I don't blend in. I blend tasty.
Whoa, pineapple power on parade.
Others walked. I juiced it up.
Closing with fire, meet the dragon panther.
Fruit or flame, you decide.
The parade ended with cheers and laughter. What a fruity show!
That was amazing.
One by one, the animals stepped forward to say thank you.
Thanks to you, we'll plant new fruit trees together.
With the money raised, they got to work, digging, planting, and watering. Before long, the jungle was blooming once again, full of sweet, juicy fruits. Fruits give us life. Let's protect and celebrate them always.